Dear students, welcome to you all. Today I am going to discuss a new chapter, relations and functions. Dear students, we are familiar with many relations such as is father of, is wife of, is student of. In mathematics also we come across relations like is greater than, is a subset of, is parallel to, and so on. These relations consider the existence or non-existence of a certain connection between pairs of objects taken in a specified order. Formally speaking, we shall define a relation in terms of these ordered pairs. So, first we start relations, and in relations, first we define ordered pair. Two elements A and B listed in a specific order form an ordered pair denoted by in small bracket A comma B. In the ordered pair AB, dear students, A is called the first element and B is called the second element. For example, 5, 7 is an ordered pair with 5 and 7 as the first elements and second element respectively. In general, ordered pair AB not equal to BA, and two ordered pairs are said to be equal, that is A1 B1 equal to A2 B2 if their corresponding elements are equal, that is if and only if A1 is equal to A2 and B1 is equal to B2. Now we will discuss Cartesian product of sets. If A and B are two non-empty sets, here A and B should be non-empty sets, then the set of all ordered pair AB such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B is called the Cartesian product of A and B, to be denoted by A cross B. Thus, symbolically, we can write A cross B equal to AB such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Taking an example, let set A having 3 elements 1, 2, 3 and set B having 2 elements 4, 5. Then we find A cross B and we write in ordered pair 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5. So A cross B equal to 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5. Similarly, B cross A equal to 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. Dear students, here we observe that A cross B may not be equal to B cross A. Here A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Now we discuss number of elements in the Cartesian product of two finite sets. If A and B are two finite sets, then number of elements in A cross B equal to number of elements in set A into number of elements in set B. Here, from above, in set A having 3 elements, Na is equal to 3. In set B having 2 elements, that is Nb equal to 2. Then the number of elements in A cross B equal to, that is N A cross B equal to Na into Nb. 2 into 3 or 3 into 2 equal to 6, and here number of elements in form of ordered pair in A cross B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Similarly, B cross A means 2 into 3 we get 6. So number of elements in ordered pair form here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So Na cross B equal to Na cross Nb. Now we discuss some observations. If A or B is an infinite set, either A or B is an infinite set, then A cross B is an infinite set. If there are 3 sets A, B, C, and A belongs to A, B belongs to B, and C belongs to C, then we form an ordered triplet, not ordered pair, ordered triplet, A, B, C. The set of all ordered triplet A, B, C is called the Cartesian product of these sets A, B, C, that is A cross B cross C equal to A, B, C, such that A belongs to A, B belongs to B, and C belongs to C. Dear students, now we will discuss about the solution of questions of exercise 2.1 from NCERT. Question number 1, if x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 equal to 5 by 3 comma 1 by 3, find the values of x and y. Dear students, in this question we use the rule equality of ordered pairs. On equating we get x by 3 plus 1 equal to 5 by 3, means we equate corresponding elements, and y minus 2 by 3 equal to 1 by 3, and we solve, we get x is equal to 2 and here y is equal to 1. Hence x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the required answer. Question number 5, if set A equal to minus 1, 1, find A cross A cross A. In this type of question, first we find A cross A, and after that we find A cross A cross A. Then what is A cross A? Here you can see a equal to minus 1 1, also a is equal to minus 1 1, and first we find a cross a, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 in the ordered pair form, 1 minus 1 1 1. And here by arrow diagram you can also see that minus 1 minus 1 first ordered pair, minus 1 1 second ordered pair, 1 minus 1 third ordered pair, 1 1 fourth ordered pair. So a cross a equal to minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1. Now a cross a, so minus 1 with first ordered pair of a cross a, minus 1 minus 1, so we get minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, and this is called ordered triplet. And second ordered triplet, minus 1 minus 1 1, third minus 1 1 minus 1, fourth minus 1 1 1, and here fifth 1 minus 1 minus 1. Here and 1 minus 1 1, 1 1 minus 1, 1 1 1. So a cross a having how many ordered triplets? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Here we use the formula to find the number of elements in a cross b. Using that formula we can also find the number of triplets in a cross a. A having two elements, Na, a cross a is equal to Na into Nb in Na into Na into Na, 2 into 2 into 2, you will get 8. And here the number of ordered triplets 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Dear students, remaining questions for your homework. Thank you.